Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat not responding or just automatically closing when you try to log in. So I just installed it, you can see here the timing. So let's go and try to log in. It will automatically kick me out because of the new version update. So I'll show you how to fix this because it doesn't work with just uninstalling and installing it again. Also, it doesn't work with clearing data and stuff, so you have to install an older version of the Snapchat. So I'm just gonna type something random so it kicks me out. As you can see, Snapchat has stopped and we can't log in. It doesn't matter what I type. So what we're going to do now is you're going to download the link. I have already downloaded it here. So it's the old version, and you're going to install this one. But before installing it, you need to clear this one. So you're going to uninstall this one, and let me install the other one. So after you install it, you'll be able to log in without crashing, and maybe it will work for some of you, but maybe not, because it worked for me and also my other phone. They're both Samsung, so it should work on every Samsung, I think. And also, I don't know if this works on every phone, because I see in the reviews some people have problems with what do you call it, the Nexus 5, 6, whatever, and they have downloaded other versions and it doesn't work. But most probably this will work, because something is wrong with the new update, and that's it. You need to download an older version. So we're waiting it to install, and it's a little bit slow because I don't know, I have a lot of things installed and my memory is kind of low. Okay, it got installed. Now we're going to open it directly, it doesn't matter, and it needs to fix something. I don't know what. It's loading a bit slow. I have because I have rooted my phone and I put what do you call it, and a hack, so it's kind of waggy. And now we're going to log in. It doesn't matter what I type, it's just going to log me. Look, just type anything and it's not kicking me off, so it means it will log me if I want. And that's basically it. Yeah, we can find an account with that username, and that's how you fix that stopped working and stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.